In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a group on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu, and among these shortcuts you can easily find groups. Just tap on that. Then go to your groups, and that's where you can easily find groups you manage. That will show you all the groups that you manage, and then just get into a group that you want to delete. That will open up that group page. Then hit at that shield icon. Scroll down to the very bottom and hit at delete group, and then delete group again. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.